Hey, this is Steve Liang and Sydney Sum here with Real Estate IQ. And today we found a real estate deal of the day here in the Dallas Fort Worth area, and we want to share it with you. Check it out.
Okay, so we found a deal today in Dallas, the city of Dallas, and we see that it's been on the market for 21 days, and this is why we think it's a deal. Um, the asking price is 86,500, and the estimated price or estimated ARV after repair value is 177,740 for an approximate discount of 91,000 or 51% discount. So that looks like a really good opportunity. From a comps standpoint, we found one comp that fits this criteria. Obviously, we can click on Fast CMA to change the criteria and see if we can pull in more comps. But let's just based on this one, let's see why we think this might be a deal. We see that on the remark, it says investment opportunity, sold as is. So those are all really good keywords that tells us this might be a good investment property. Also, we can see that the price per square footage, there's a pretty big discrepancy here. We can also see the map view. Check out where the property is from the comp. And we can see that the subject property is here and the comp is over here. Let's take a look, check out the neighborhood and understand the location of the neighborhood. Very nice. We can then check out kind of the comps area. Same subdivision, a pretty similar neighborhood, I would say. Feel free to use the tool to peruse this for those of you who have access to Real Estate IQ. And now let's take a look at the photos. There's only one photo for the deal, which is also sometimes a really good indicator because when it's a motivate seller type of property, the listing agent is they need to get it listed really quick and they don't have as much time to take nice photos and all that. So only one photo. Sometimes that's a good indication. And here we are looking at the comp, and this is what a retail, I guess, retail looks like. And we can see the condition of these properties. And this is what we're measured up against. So again, very good opportunity here today. There's only one comp, and so ideally we want to have 3 to 4 comps to have a much more confident take on the valuation. So that would be something I would point out. You would want to change up the criteria using run a new fast CMA on this property, if you have time to do further due diligence. This is it for the deal of the day today. I hope you guys enjoy it, and make sure you subscribe to our Fast CMA service. Go to www.fastcma.co for access of being able to run these comps. Thank you.
I want to invite you to my weekly real estate talk every Monday and Wednesday at 6 p.m. And this is an online event, so you can join anywhere. But every Monday and Wednesday at 6 p.m., I will invite a successful real estate entrepreneur to join us, and we will interview them, and they're going to share with us their entrepreneurial journey and what they think is what made them successful. I think you'll find a lot of really cool stories there and war stories. As entrepreneurs, we always want to learn from other people what their experiences have been. It's going to help us get a lot smarter. We'll also talk about anything in real estate. For example, we do a real estate deals market update to kind of talk about the general market, real estate market in general, and where the deals are coming from and all that good stuff. So very interesting real estate talk. Make sure you join us.